Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You're starting in Chrome. Open it now. Once Chrome is open, tap the three-dot menu in the upper right corner to access browser controls. Make sure to choose Downloads from that menu. This shows files downloaded via Chrome and any active downloads. If you don't see Downloads, tap History then Downloads. Sometimes Android rearranges menu items. You're doing this to locate files quickly without leaving the browser, and to confirm download status before opening or sharing the file. Once you've identified the download in Chrome, tap its three-dot menu or long press the item to reveal details. Use the Show in Folder or Open with Files option to jump directly into your file manager. This reveals the exact path, typically internal storage/download or internal storage/downloads. If Chrome offers Open or Share, choose Open with Files to inspect the folder. Doing this explains where files land and prevents duplicate copies when moving or deleting. So finish by confirming the file opens from the Files app and optionally move it to a permanent folder. If the download isn't visible, open Chrome settings, check the Downloads section for any custom location, and toggle permissions so Chrome can write to storage. If visibility still fails, clear Chrome cache or restart the phone to refresh media indexes. One quick troubleshooting tip: use the Files app search with part of the file name or file extension to find hidden or misplaced downloads.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.